How to upload HD videos to TikTok. If you want to upload HD videos to TikTok, what you have to do is first of all launch the TikTok application like this. Once you launch your TikTok app, tap on the plus icon from the very bottom of the screen, then allow TikTok to have access to your photos or videos. Now of course we will go ahead and then select the video that we would like to upload and tap the next option. And after we make all the changes that we want to our respective video and tap on next, in order to upload this in an HD quality, tap on the option that says more options over here, and under more options you have to select the option called upload in HD quality. Now you can say select video language, content disclosure, you can say allow high quality uploads. You have to make sure to turn this feature on. Now when you turn this feature on, even if this video is in a high quality, TikTok will not compress it, and then you can go about posting it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.